Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how sports betting actually works, what those numbers mean, or how to get started without losing your mind, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down sports betting for beginners. So grab a snack, get comfy, let's dive in. What is sports betting? At its core, sports betting is just placing a wager, that's a bet, on the outcome of a sporting event. You can bet on who wins a football game, how many points are scored in a basketball game, or even whether the Super Bowl coin toss lands heads or tails. Let's talk odds. Odds show two things: how likely something is to happen and how much money you could win. If you're in the US, you'll mostly see American odds. These look like minus 150 or plus 200. A minus number means that team is the favorite. A plus number means they're the underdog. So, if it says minus 150, you'd need to bet $150 to win $100. But if it says plus 200, a $100 bet wins you $200. Let's go over the most common types of bets. 1. The money line. This is the simplest. Just pick who wins the game. 2. The point spread. Here, you bet on how much a team will win or lose by. If Team A is minus 7.5, they have to win by 8 or more. 3. The over-under, also called the total. You're betting on the combined points scored in the game. Will it go over or under a set number? 4. Parlays. This is a combo of multiple bets rolled into one. All your picks have to win. The risk is high, but so is the reward. So, how do you actually place a bet? Today, it's super simple thanks to legal online sportsbooks. Just sign up on a trusted site, like DraftKings, FanDuel, or BetMGM. Deposit your money, browse the games, click the bet you like, enter your wager, and boom, you're betting. But listen carefully, only bet what you're okay losing. Set a budget, don't chase losses, and bet smart. Here are 5 quick tips. 1. Start small. $5 or $10 bets are totally fine. 2. Do your homework. Look at stats, injuries, even weather. 3. Avoid parlays at first. They're tempting, but tricky. 4. Track your bets. Use an app or a simple spreadsheet. And 5. Don't bet emotionally. Your favorite team isn't always the best bet. And there you have it, your quick start guide to sports betting. If you found this helpful, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Until next time, bet smart, have fun, and may the odds be ever in your favor.